Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sudharani, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As part of the Java Lab series, today I'm going to show you how to perform the roots, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. So we know what is a quadratic equation. So it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So we need to find out the roots for this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here a, b, c are the roots. So one thing we must keep in mind is that a must never be 0. Why a must not be 0? If a is equal to 0, then the equation becomes b square plus c is equal to 0, which is not a quadratic equation anymore. It becomes a linear equation. And also when we divide it with 2 into a, so x becomes undefined. Okay, so a always must be not equal to 0. Okay, so that's what we have handled in the program. So we need to check that a is not equal to 0 and then proceed further. So we have imported the scanner class to read in the roots a, b and c, and then we have calculated the discriminant, which is d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. And so what does this discriminant do or tell us? So this tells us the nature of the roots, whether the roots are real and distinct, or the roots are real and equal, or the roots are complex. So based on the d's value, like we'll be able to find out the nature of the roots. So if d is greater than 0, then the two roots that we obtained are distinct real roots. And if d is equal to 0, that is the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are equal. And if the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are complex. Okay, so based on what d is, we'll be able to come to a conclusion like the nature of the roots. Okay, so that's what we have done here using the if and else, if and else. So we are checking for the condition. If the condition is true, then we are showing what the roots are. And if condition fails, then we are going into the else if and checking for the d again. And if that fails, finally the else executes here. Okay, what are the programming constructs that we have used in this program? So we have used the scanner object, and also we have used the system class. So these are the basic input and output operations that we have performed in this program. And also we have declared certain data types. We have taken the roots as integers, and then we have taken the discriminant as double, and so on. And also we have taken a math.sqrt, mathematical operations we have performed. Since sqrt is a static method of the math class, we need to refer it with its class name. So that's why we said math.sqrt, and math class is there in the lang package. So that's why we haven't imported it, because by default lang package is added to all the programs by the compiler. We also have used output formatting using printf. So in the printf we have mentioned %.2f, which means that we want two decimals, 2 digits after the decimal. Okay, so these are all the things that we have used in the program. So I hope this video is helpful to you. So this is how we find the roots of the quadratic equation. Thank you for watching.